Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Trisna Kurniawati, ID number A12118261, and I'm gonna tell you about 3 videos I've been watched, and I would like to give a little bit explanation from the 3 videos. Okay, for the first video is about student-centered learning. The speakers here is Dr. Willy. He explained about student-centered learning and teacher-centered learning, and also he highlights some of the differences between student-centered learning and teacher-centered learning. And this video also inform about how SEL can be done in a blended learning environment in his university. For your information, Dr. Willy belongs to Nanyang University. It is kind of technological university which is located in Singapore. In nutshell, student-centered learning is about less the teacher roles. What I mean is less them as a teacher to do many things and let the students to get opportunities to do all the thinking and all the learning that happen in the classroom. It means all students play a role as an active students and getting participation for each other. Essentially, student-centered learning is all about an approach that places more importance on what students do while the teacher becomes a facilitator. Teacher can be controller during the learning, and teacher talks in SEL is very limited. This is because in SEL the teacher should be deeply engaged in deeper type of learning, where they get a lot of opportunity to think, to explore, to debate, to elaborate, to comment, to reconstruct, and other that related to it. Dr. really explained about the differences between teacher-centered learning and student-centered learning. In teacher-oriented or teacher classroom, the teacher spend most of the time to talking. They involved in the process of articulating, processing, and reforming. I mean, the teacher teach the material is too detailed without giving students opportunities to explore it by themselves. The students is in TCL is mostly busy to listen the teacher explanation and also busy to taking notes. They have no time to pay attention and explore the knowledge. So we can conclude that in a teacher-centered classroom, the only one who get more knowledge is teacher itself. And then in student-centered learning, once again the video informed that teacher have a job to provide more opportunities for deeper learning in the classroom. So we move to the second video. The second video is about teaching children online, helping to prepare them for starters movies and flyer exam. There are some biggest challenges when teaching exam preparation, but I just take 2 challenges. First is activities take longer to prepare and teach, and the second is students get distracted. So the main problem was talking by the speaker is activities take longer to prepare and teach online. And the speakers also provide some tips to overcome this problem. For the first tip is look at what exists already is to add some free lesson plan for online teaching. And the second is choose time effective feedback method. We can copy paste the lesson plan and then share it. Then we ask students to annotate sheet and I think the time will be efficient. And the third video about type of activities to make sure every young learners is enjoying the classroom. In this time, I just want to explain about fun itself. Learning fun doesn't mean always making the learners feel happy. Fun can be an experience itself or something that we enjoy while we are doing it. And I think that's all from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.